In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Google Calendar. If you've ever wanted to visually enhance your calendar events, you're in the right place. This method is particularly useful if you want to attach a picture, a scanned document, or any image that you might need quick access to during your scheduled events. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar, which you can access directly by typing calendar.google.com into your browser's URL bar. Once you're on the main page, decide whether you want to create a new event or edit an existing one. For those who are unfamiliar, simply click on a date to create a new event or find an existing event and click on it to bring up its details. Once you're in the Event Details menu, you'll find the option labeled Add Attachment. This feature allows you to upload files directly to your event. Clicking on this option will give you two choices. Upload an image from your computer or select a file from your Google Drive. If you choose to upload from your computer, you can browse through your folders and select the relevant image file. Alternatively, if your image is already saved in Google Drive, you can choose it directly from there, which might save you a bit of time. After selecting your image file, make sure you click Insert to attach it to your event. This step is crucial as it confirms the upload and makes the image accessible in your event details. Following this, you need to save your event. To do this, simply hit the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the event details page. Saving ensures that all your changes, including the image attachment, are properly updated and stored. Now that you've saved your event, the image is securely attached and can be viewed anytime by opening the event's details. It's important to note that currently, images attached to Google Calendar events are not visible in the calendar grid itself. They will only be displayed when you open the event details. If you're looking for a more visual calendar experience with images directly visible on the schedule, you might want to explore digital planner applications like Notion, GoodNotes, or Canva templates. These tools can offer a more graphic calendar interface and can sometimes be integrated with Google Calendar for enhanced functionality. Remember, although Google Calendar is a powerful tool for scheduling, it does have its limitations when it comes to visual attachments. However, by following these steps, you can ensure that important images are readily available within your scheduled events, providing you with the resources you need at a glance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Google Calendar.